Good afternoon and welcome to the YouTube Retail Jeweler channel, Darshit. How do you find this new concept of IIJS in a virtual format?
Now, the right kind of platform that GJEPC is providing, because of which people would be able to see the products that people are making. There's a lot of creativity out there, especially during COVID. The creativity has been in overdrive. People have been able to design multiple collections above and beyond than what they generally did. So I believe it is a perfect time for them to showcase what they have been doing, what they have been planning to do. The more audacious plans that they have had, this was a perfect time to execute them.
And coming to your own business, Darshit, how do you see this entire fancy color diamond coming into play, and from now on till the next, say, couple of years? And what are you presenting at the IIJS Virtual?
Our company has done only color diamonds for now 4 decades now. So this is the only thing we know. Now, from my experience, being such a niche player, what I can tell you is that India is the fastest growing country when it comes to color diamonds. So there's a lot of education. Actually, that is something which was very surprising for me, where the customers are quite educated. It's the retailers which are less educated on the other end. The retailers who are a bit more afraid to kind of put their feet into the water and test the waters per se also. But what I can tell you is from our many years of experience in terms of interacting with people, I can only tell you is that the more they put time into, they realize as well that, people are very much open to it, and they are able to execute a lot of orders also. So what I feel is that, what we have also tried to focus on more and more is the fact that, there are different price points where the customer lies. Some wants really one-of-a-kind pieces, and there are a lot of people who want something different to wear every day. They've already purchased all different kinds of products. So our portfolio is where we are able to address all the requirements per se, be it one-off pieces versus something which they can wear regularly also.
And what would be your advice to the retailers who are coming for IIJS Virtual from India and also from across the world to meet you and the others? How do you think they should look at the season?
I think, the best question which I see, which is prevalent, which is why we do well, is the fact that every customer wants something different now. People buying jewelry for the 10th time, 15th time. They have bought gold jewelry, they have bought diamond jewelry, they have bought gemstone jewelry, but what is different then? So color diamond is a great option. There's a misnomer in the industry, especially in the retailers also. When I interact with them, they feel that color diamonds are too expensive. It's not for the, you cannot do it at a relatively low level, because they always read about the news which are about auctions, which are super rare diamonds, sold at a very relatively high price points, though they are worth it. But those price points, so they have that kind of mindset. So it was a misnomer. There's so many different colors, in fact, that are available, which can come at a comparative price point as whites. Especially if you look at South, where they are looking at really high quality whites. For them, they can find, in fact, larger sizes of color diamond which can fit in the same budget. So why not? If you like what you see and it is giving more value to you in terms of size and design and the color and the look overall, then why not that? It's the same value. On the north, they are very much price conscious, so they always they have a choice which is a bit on the lower end, right? But over there also, it's the same thing, where you can find something comparable without compromising on what you actually wanted, or the size that you wanted, or the budget for that matter. So when you can fit in color diamonds in various options, that is, we're not talking about just one color. There are a lot of options which you can fit in. Then why not? Idea is that customer wants always something different, and this is something different, and this is something rare. Of course, you're making a statement when you're wearing color diamond, because only 1% of the world's diamond are color. So that's my 2 bits to the retailers, that there's so much more than what you read in the newspapers.
And you feel that in the next 6 months we will be able to recover the losses and maybe at least do 75% of last year's business?
So I don't think that 75% is a number which the industry can reach. But I do believe that certain segments will enjoy more. For example, after the let's say after the COVID, right? I do believe the high-end market is doing well in India overall. There has been a lot of interest from people on the higher end of the jewelry market. Lower end, it's tough because people are conscious and people are afraid and they don't venture out. But high end, it's never about money because you always have money. It's more about mood and everything. But that has seen relatively, I feel, a much more in better numbers than, let's say, the lower end of the spectrum of jewelry. So I do believe it's gonna be the same, where the higher end market in jewelry is gonna do well percentage wise if you look at the segment and what was happening over there.
Great. Thank you very much, Darshit, for your time, and all the best.
My pleasure.
And we'll see you at the show.
Thank you so much.